Welcome back, everybody. Scott here, Tidybricks Landscaping. Today we're going to have a bit of fun. Guess what I got? Tortillas. We're going to do the tortilla challenge with Jacob. My new subscriber started working for me. So we've been working on this job now since Tuesday. Digging it all out, as you can probably see what's going on behind me. Patio in progress. But we're going to have a quick bit of fun. Let's have a bit of a tortilla. Let's see how it goes. Keep watching. Should be fun. All right, he's had his water. I'm going to have mine now.
Fucking tore that to pieces.
Oh, God, things you do break time.
Oh, I'm out of water. I need water.
Oh, God. Are you not entertained? Who said that? Gladiator. Bollocks. Oh, my ears ringing. Oh, I'll do a couple more. Oh, that went right in my lug hole. Oh, we're on the last tortilla. There's lots of broken ones everywhere. All right. Oh. Shame it's not for a charity or something to get beaten up. He's only been working with me for a couple of days. He's already beaten his boss up already. Oh, should we? Yeah, go on. We got a little bit left. Let's have another go. Hopefully I get this one. He's hit me loads. Well, I'm glad it kept you entertained. Gotta have something else to do when you're having break. Keep you guys happy. Right, back to work. Tidy.